Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. For that, firstly make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this page, at the top right, you can see 3-line icon. Tap on it. And at the first, you can see the option Account Center. Tap on it. Now you will be led to this kind of page. And there you can see the option Personal Details. Tap on it. And at the third, you can see the option Account Ownership and Control. You have to tap on it. And there you can see the option Deactivation or Deletion. You have to simply tap on it. Now here you need to simply choose your account. Now two options will be provided: deactivating your account or deleting your account. Remember that deactivating your account is temporary, but deleting your account is permanent. So we need to choose on the first one. After that, simply tap on Continue. Now here, before that, you need to enter yourself a password. Now simply tap on Continue. Now this kind of box will pop up where you need to choose the reason for deactivating your Instagram account. For this video, I will tap on Just Need a Break. After that, you can simply tap on Continue. And there at the bottom, you can choose the days that you want to reactivate your account in. After that, simply tap on Done. Now simply tap on Continue. Again, this kind of box will pop up. Simply tap on Deactivate Account. And now you can see that your account has been deactivated. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.